got him. Come on. Here, stay.
Taz, look at the balloons. Ah!
He's taking them all right. Down.
Gosh darn it. Hey, he just jumped on my back. Come back. Come back here, Taz. What are you doing? What are you doing? Come here. Come here. Come here. It's too dark in here.
I'm sorry.
Don't let him get away. Get off the computer. Gosh. You're a brat. Come here, Taz. Daisy, go lay down. Good girl. Taz. There's Bella.
Hey, Bella, Bella, Bella.
Bella, get it.
That's so much bigger compared to the other one.
Yeah,
And before she used to look kind of small.
yeah. Come back here. Brat.
I think you just came out from the couch.
Taz.
Come here. Ouch. Stop. Stop it.
Daisy. Sit.
You ready?
Come on, play with the balloon again. It was so funny that first time. Ah, he got it. It's so cute. He won't let go. Bella's such a little party pooper.
Bella, Bella.
He's a jumper.
Yeah,
I like he stays and plays.
yeah.
What pretty girl? There you go. Go play.
What are you doing, weirdo? Oh, brat. You guys, get out of there.
Go play.
You're smart. Yeah. Almost grabbed Sierra.
Good girl, Sierra.
What is your problem, Bella? Dang it. Taz, you're funner.
I startled her. She's just coming out and go, oh crap, you're already there.
Why is she so unsocial? Gosh.
Yo.
Dang it, she's too fast for me.
Shush. No.
I can't get it. Ah, no, it's over there.
He's like a terrier.
That was cute.
He really is Tazilla.
No. It's just Taz the Spaz.
Hey, she's slowly coming back. Look at this. She's creeping over here.
I see you.
Bella, Bella. She's pampering herself. She's laying on the pillow. Bella, Bella.
Gonna hide behind the cat post.
Good girl, Sierra. Oh, Bella.
You gonna play with the balloons?
Oh, look at her. She can climb.
Oh, nice. Oh, and then he's gone. Taz.
Somebody found Mama's bag.
You want to play with the balloons again? That was so funny when you jumped. Oh man, he's gone.
Well, he's come back, Tyler. Hey, buddy boy.
Too bad I missed that because that was really funny. Hi, Daisy.
She just wants to play.
Hi, Daisy girl. Can you say hi? Ah! Daisy, come here. Come here. Sit. Stay. Good girl. Stay. Shake. Good girl. Nice to meet you.
Good girl, Sierra.
Ah, Daisy.
That is not your toy. You can't have it. He just licked my knee.
Leave
That's
it.
just licked
Leave.
my knee.
Leave it. Good girl. Lay down. Good girl. Hey, Daisy. No. Okay, Daisy. Roll over. Roll over. Roll over. Good girl. Good girl. Sierra. Sierra. Hey, Sierra.
You know your name.
Hi. Sierra, say hi. Hi. Well, fine, be that way. You won't be a star. Daisy, you gonna be a star? Are you gonna be a star, Daisy? Be a star. Say, yeah, I'm gonna be a star. That's not your toy. Daisy? That's not your toy. Stop
I
it.
found one ferret. Where's the other?
Say, bye. I love you. I love you. Say bye. Daisy, come here. Oh, meh. Fine. You know what? Gonna get you. I'm gonna get you.
Sierra.
Daisy, come here. Ready? Ready? Daisy, ready? Let's go.